Alright, what's up guys? It's your boy Life Through a Lens. Today we're doing a vlog. It's going to be pretty short because it's actually raining out. See, it's all wet and this is all glossy. Basically what's going to be happening is I'm going to be trying to beat Tanner Fox's Faze Rain and Tanner Braungardt's record for the water bottle flips. But we're doing a change. This is a light bulb. Okay? It's a light bulb. I'm going to flip this because this is actually flippable. Like, watch, let's see. Oh. So, this is flippable. So what I want to do is I want to flip it to the point where I can actually beat the record. I hate that floor, it's so loud. Beat the record, and this is cooler than flipping a water bottle, well, at least I think. Flipping a light bulb, something that probably no one's ever done. So, that's what I'm going to be doing instead of water bottle. I hate that floor. I'm going to set a minute on the timer. It's not going to focus. There's a minute on there. I'm going to see how many flips we can get. Faze Rain got 20. Tanner Fox got 30. Tanner Braungardt, I have no idea how much he got, but we're going to beat them all. Here we go. Set up good. This will focus. Why won't it focus? 1 minute, there we go. 1 minute on the clock. 3. Oh shit. I set this up so you guys can see it. That's 15. We're gonna. Got 1 minute on the clock. Set, go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, no, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 20, 24. That's what I was staying with. 24. Let's go. Faze Rain, I beat you. And Tanner Fox, he got me, but I beat Faze Rain. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.